What's up, YouTube? What's going on? It's your boy, yours truly, Mr. Kevin Love himself. Here is a special request from one of my main men, Mr. Earl. He has requested to see the blue Bissell 10 amp and my basic red Hoover Sprint. It took a little time for me to get to because I had to move like hella vacuums out the way to get to these two. And Mr. Grayson, I haven't forgot about you. I'm most likely record yours tonight as well. I thought somebody was at my door. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and just get straight to it. So it's not a whole lot to say about them. My other blue Bissell 10 amp that got the hose and attachments on board, I cannot get to that one right now. Right here, I'll show you. Here, come on back here. So it's like certain vacuums. Like, see, there's my other one. As you can see, I gotta move all that to get to it, and I gotta like push all that stuff up off of it. So it's kind of hard to get to some of these vacuums, man. But that's my other blue Bissell 10 amp, and I was able to get to the her twin. But if I really wanted to, I could have got to that one. It's all good though. And then I got like certain vacuums behind here. Like, see how hard it is for me to get to them? I gotta like move out this whole line. Well, like some of the ones inside this line to get to some of them back there. I got jackets and stuff hanging up and all that old stuff. So yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at right now. So yeah. So back out to the request. I'm gonna go ahead and run the red Hoover and the blue Bissell. And that's what we gonna do. So we just gonna do the blue, cause it's true. Let's do it. The headlight one on that one does not work, so I have to go get another headlight for it. And here's the Hoover. Alrighty. The Hoover sounds a little weird. It sounds like a slicing inside the motor fan. It's not necessarily a serious deal. The fan is just probably kind of dirty. Because one of my Dirt Devils had that same noise and I took it apart. I cleaned off the fan blades real good. Damn thing sounded brand new. So I might do that tonight since I don't have a life. Anyway, Mr. Earl, please come and watch, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. To the rest of y'all, come do the same. What am I saying? Mr. Earl, he has subscribed to me a long time ago. So thank you, Mr. Earl. To the rest of y'all, come watch, like, and subscribe. And I shall return with more. I'm out. Peace.